So each week, you're tasked with sending management a report that shows where the conversions are coming from. And it takes you hours to make this report, and you dread it. You dread it all the time. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it in Google Sheets, in a dashboard, in branded, in report ready, so PDF print or Google Slides ready, all with no formulas and no code, and it's going to be super easy. And then all you have to do is paste in the new information, and you got a template ready to made, saving you hours. Let's go call and get some data. Yeah, hey Jim, it's Larry up in analytics. Uh, hey, do you mind sending us some web traffic data? I'm doing a demo on how to make a conversion report template using Google Sheets. Oh, appreciate it. I'll make sure I put a good word in for you for the next buffet. Hey, real quick, while Jim's preparing that data set for us, I want to take a moment to let you know you can have access to this data set and all the other data sets that I've made that are Fun Zombie related to use for your data project. It's all free. All you have to do is just sign up for my monthly newsletter. In there, you'll get access to all the data sets, plus all my free resources from some of the other videos. You can download them all for free. And each month in the newsletter, I send tips and tricks on how to use Google Sheets and also provide new information and tricks and tips on how to increase your value as an analyst to the business. Now that that's out of the way, let's get to the build. Okay, as you can see here, we have the data set open. I'm selecting the 4 columns that we need and making a chart. We're going to take this chart, we're going to copy the chart and put it into a new tab. We're going to label that tab report so it's easy to remember. We'll paste in the chart, and then we're going to edit the chart type, and we're going to go with a horizontal bar chart. Right now we're changing some of the settings in it, and this first one we're going to use is the campaign. So we're going to get the conversions by campaign, and what we're going to change on this is we're going to change some colors, and we're going to set it to black, the primary color we want for this report. Now we're going to format it a little bit and then add data labels, because we want to remove those bottom horizontal data points so we can stretch it and just have the data labels to make it clean and crisp. To make this easy, what we're going to do is duplicate this same chart after we format it, and then change the setting of campaign to source. We're going to do this the same thing with the channel. So we'll duplicate it and set it channel. But right here, you can just see me doing some formatting things. There I go. I changed it to medium. You'll see change the title and everything. Again, no formulas, no coding, no nothing. All we're doing is setting it up strictly with charts. Right there, I'm adjusting some formatting. As you can see, the numbers pop off. Adjusting the width, and then we're going to do the same thing on the last chart. This is going to be the last one. This is going to be the channels. So what we do here is change it, or not the channels, the source is what it's called, but I called it the channels. As you can see, we're just changing the source. We're going to stretch it out, stretch out all the other ones to fill up the page a bit. And for the last thing we're going to do, we're going to get the total count, copy a chart. We're going to change the style. Since the data is already pulled in there, we're going to change it to a scorecard and just make all conversions, remove everything else, and change the title and some formatting, everything centered. This is going to be total conversions. So we're going to center it and then format it to fit in the top right corner, as you can see there. And now we have our whole dashboard set up. What I like to do on my dashboards is remove all the empty cells so nobody has a reason to do them. And I also like to put in a little copyright label. I recommend you do this to everything. I make it small, font size 4, and make the text color pretty close to like a off-white, so it blends in, as you can see me doing here. And I'll set it to 4. You have to hit enter on the 4, then select all the bottom rows, delete those, and now we're going to add in the logo for branding and the title of the report. So I merge the cells here, and then we also merge the cells for the title right next to the conversions. I'm trying to get the line up to make it crisp and clean. Super simple, very, very easy. And then, as you can see, I messed up on the merge right there, but edit it, merge it, and then we just put in the image. You can grab from your Google Drive. Right here, I got the Google Drive, and I'm just grabbing the bite-sized Munchies logo, put it in the cell, and center it. And there we go. You have a report that's all set. And move the grid lines. Now it's all white. And now when we go to file, print, oh, right there you can see I can do the last final checks on it. Caught that some of the numbers were running off and the words were closing it, collapsing. Do final quick check, file, download, PDF, and as you can see, it's report ready. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Wasn't that simple? No code, no long formulas, nothing to remember, just a simple click and drop and selecting fields and maybe a little bit of text for the title. And you have a zombie proof dashboard ready to go. In fact, you can update it by just pasting new data at the bottom and it'll update the report. Super easy. But that is not the only place we can find value in a business. Check out this video here, and it'll show you where you can find even more value to increase revenue or decrease costs.